Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best all-terrain tires for trucks that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is ATTURO Trailblade X/TXL Hybrid Tire. The ATTURO Trailblade XT in size 275 by 55 for 20 diameter wheels is a hybrid rugged terrain tire created for use throughout the year. It has a section width of 275 millimeters and supports a maximum load of 2,833 pounds. The tread depth measures 11 millimeters, and it can handle up to 50 pounds per square inch of pressure. Built with 6 plies, it fits rims measuring 8.5 inches in width and has a tire diameter of 31.9. This model blends features suited for both daily road use and tougher landscapes. The design includes strong shoulder blocks that resemble patterns found on mud terrain tires, helping the vehicle maintain its grip when driving across uneven or muddy ground. At the same time, smaller blocks in the middle help maintain comfort and reduce sound levels while traveling on highways. The channels placed in the tread are meant to manage water movement and help maintain contact in wet or snowy environments. This approach helps keep the vehicle steady across changing weather. The connection between the tread parts also plays a role in improving balance and keeping the tire surface firm while moving. ATTURO has focused on building a durable tire that handles rough surfaces without giving up smooth travel. Its layout supports dependable usage across surfaces ranging from city roads to unpaved areas. This option serves drivers seeking tires that can manage all types of paths and climates. In our list, the number 2 product name is NITTO Ridge Grappler All-Season Radial Tire. The NITTO Ridge Grappler in size 35 by 12.50 for 20 light truck rim diameter is a radial tire made for rugged terrain and year-round use except in winter. With a section width of 12.5 inches and a tread depth of 18.330 seconds, it supports high-level performance on different surfaces. This model includes a 12-ply construction and can handle up to 80 pounds per square inch of air pressure. It has a full diameter of 35 inches and fits a 20-inch rim. The tire has been built with strong focus on stability and long-term use. Its inner structure is designed with a reinforced block base, which helps keep the tread from bending under pressure. That results in improved handling when driving through uneven ground. The stone ejector design helps prevent sharp debris from lodging into the grooves, which supports long wear and continued performance. The edge layout is created to push through dirt and loose soil. The wide shoulder blocks and deep patterns help provide grip on muddy or rocky paths. These tread shapes also help move water and slush away, which benefits handling in wet conditions. This option is a choice often seen on trucks and sport utility vehicles built for both highways and rougher routes. NITTO Ridge Grappler supports drivers who take their vehicle from paved roads to off-road trails and back again without changing tires between seasons. Its layout balances traction, structure, and comfort during both daily travel and demanding use. In our list, the number 3 product name is Cooper Discoverer AT3XLT All-Season Tire. The Cooper Discoverer AT3XLT All-Season Tire in size light truck 275 by 70 for 18 rim diameter is designed for use on large pickup vehicles that demand strong traction and load handling. With a section width of 275 millimeters and a tread depth of 1630 seconds, it supports consistent grip on mixed surfaces. The 10-ply rating and a maximum pressure of 80 pounds per square inch contribute to its ability to carry up to 3,640 pounds with solid performance. This tire has a layout that helps manage road and off-road tasks without giving up comfort. It holds up well under pressure, especially when driving through uneven paths filled with stones or loose soil. Its deep shoulder elements help the tire stay planted while climbing rocky paths or passing through muddy zones. This helps the vehicle keep moving without losing grip on rough or unstable ground. Its surface build also protects it from cuts and chips, making it suitable for dirt roads and gravel use. The design allows it to support regular trips in rural zones, construction sites, and other areas with unpredictable surfaces. The tough pattern still allows for balanced travel during everyday use. The structure works with raised or leveled trucks, making it a choice for drivers who combine weekday roads with weekend travel through fields or mountain trails. The Cooper Discover AT3XLT balances support for heavy loads, ground strength, and resistance across tough landscapes. In our list, the number 4 product name is Kumho Road Venture AT51 All-Terrain Tire. The Kumho Road Venture AT51 all-terrain tire in size 32 by 11.50 for 15 rim diameter is designed to support mixed travel both on city pavement and uneven trails. Its section width of 11.5 inches and tread depth of 16/32 provide dependable grip for summer seasons. This 6-ply tire can carry up to 2,535 pounds and maintain a maximum pressure of 50 pounds per square inch, making it a solid option for various driving needs. Built for drivers who move between construction areas, country roads, and paved routes, this tire is balanced to perform with stability. Its wide tread and centered grooves help push away water or melting snow, reducing slippage in wet surroundings. This pattern helps the tire remain steady even when conditions turn rough. The tire shape includes firm edges that allow better control during corner turns or rough surface handling. Its layered design supports quiet movement by reducing pattern vibration, making each trip more relaxed for the driver and passengers. The dual material used in the surface compound also helps prevent overheating, which contributes to longer tread life. Kumho has built this model with wear resistance and comfort in mind. The Road Venture AT51 is shaped to help clean itself as it turns, which is helpful when driving through clay-rich mud or slush. It fits light trucks and sport utility vehicles, offering strength and smoothness during both work and personal travel. In our list, the number 5 product name is BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO2 Radial Car Tire. The BFGoodrich All-Terrain TAKO2 Radial Car Tire in size 31 by 10.50 for 15 rim diameter is made for drivers of light trucks, sport utility vehicles, and crossover vehicles who need dependable traction across various surfaces. Its section width of 10.5 inches and tire diameter of 31 inches supports up to 2,270 pounds with a maximum pressure of 50 pounds per square inch. This 10-ply model fits rims of 9 inches in width and works well for year-round conditions. Built to meet the needs of mixed driving habits, this tire handles dry, wet, and loose terrain like gravel and packed snow. The symmetrical tread style helps spread pressure across the contact area to encourage balanced wear and improved steering. With deep grooves and firm rubber edges, the shape supports better grip on uneven ground, offering more control during turns and acceleration. The sidewall compound is made to handle contact with sharp or rough objects such as tree roots or small rocks, making it a good match for travel away from paved roads. The tread shape is formed to prevent uneven stress, helping the material wear slowly over time. The internal structure also allows the tire to maintain shape under load without deforming easily. Whether used for day-to-day commutes or weekend trips through difficult terrain, this model is engineered to support travel through varying environments with consistent control and longer wear over time. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.